The low-power biomedical transmitter is a device for transmitting remotely ECG signals for cardiac monitoring. With the growth of the microchip industry, especially for mobile communication, the possibility of continuous mobile monitoring of heart signals has become a reality. As Jayanta Mukherjee, Assistant Professor, IIT Bombay explains, the attempt is to exploit the low-frequency processes involved in a cardiac signal to obtain the low-power consumption and therefore reduce costs.
Well, the technology is basically a transmitter for transmitting heart signals to a remote user. And that user is usually a doctor who sits at a remote location so that he can monitor the heart condition of a patient who is in some remote village.
The low-power, fully integrated transmitter for biomedical personal monitoring devices consumes only 12 megawatts of power, thereby giving remote access of several hundred meters. At the same time, the low power consumption gives longer battery life and true mobility. The product is tuned to output signals at a frequency that can be easily integrated with existing cellular base stations, especially CDMA base stations. The transmitted signals will be reported to doctors and nurses who can interpret the data. The device has a small volume and consumes less area than previous reported transmitters.
This is one of the few other applications that mobile technology can give, to remotely view. Nowadays many villagers in our villages have mobile telephones. So can we enhance the performance of those mobile devices so that they can not only enable them to communicate with others anywhere in the world, but also to show what the condition their heart is in.
This makes it a power efficient, lightweight, yet a functional ECG transmitter which could revolutionize remote healthcare in rural areas with the support of the FICCI DST Lockheed Martin India Innovation Growth Program.
It enabled us to expose our technology to others who are doing similar work. It also helps us to interact with industry who may be interested in this work, and also enables us to commercialize if indeed in some time in the future we should be able to commercialize this technology.